Imagine standing on the edge of a dense forest, the air ripe with the scent of damp earth and the crescendo of 1,000 cicadas. The sun dips low, painting the sky with hues of pink and gold, and in the distance the haunting call of a peacock echoes through the wilderness. This, dear viewer, is the symphony of India's wildlife, a world teeming with an array of creatures, each more fascinating than the last. India, a land of diversity, is home to a myriad of ecosystems, each brimming with a unique set of flora and fauna. From the golden deserts of Rajasthan to the dense jungles of Kerala, the verdant plains of Assam to the snow-capped peaks of the Himalayas, each corner of this vast country offers a different spectacle for those who venture into the wild. In the heart of the country, the dense jungles of Madhya Pradesh and Chhattisgarh play host to the majestic Bengal tiger, the national animal of India. A creature of immense power and grace, the sight of this big cat is enough to leave anyone awestruck. Moving further north, the rugged terrain of the Himalayas is the kingdom of the elusive snow leopard. This ghostly feline, with its smoky gray coat and piercing green eyes, is a sight that few have the privilege to behold. Venture into the arid landscapes of the Thar Desert, and you might just catch a glimpse of the Indian wild ass, a rare species that has adapted to the harsh conditions of the desert. In stark contrast, the wetlands of Assam are home to the one-horned rhinoceros, a prehistoric beast that seems to have been plucked straight out of a bygone era. But it's not just the land animals that command attention. The skies of India are a theater of avian ballet, with over 1,200 species of birds. The Indian peafowl, with its iridescent plumage, is a sight to behold, while the great Indian bustard, a critically endangered species, is a sobering reminder of the fragility of life. India's wildlife is a treasure trove of wonders, a testament to the country's rich biodiversity, but it's also a story of resilience and survival, as many of these species grapple with the challenges of habitat loss and climate change. This journey through India's wildlife has been a glimpse into a world that is as diverse as it is enchanting. We've traversed the length and breadth of the country, from the dense jungles of Madhya Pradesh to the arid landscapes of the Thar Desert, the rugged terrain of the Himalayas to the wetlands of Assam. We've met the majestic Bengal tiger, the elusive snow leopard, the resilient Indian wild ass, and the prehistoric one-horned rhinoceros. We've watched the ballet of birds in the sky, marveling at the iridescent peafowl and the endangered great Indian bustard. But this journey is far from over. There are still countless species to discover, countless stories to tell. So, until our paths cross again in this wild, beautiful world, remember, every creature has a story, every landscape a song, and in the heart of India's wildlife, the symphony plays on.